Welcome. And now let's talk about the package, Emmet package. In a previous video, we have downloaded and installed some packages in our Sublime tag. So now it's time to check the packages and one by one. The first package is a great package for in Sublime text is Emmet package that we have just installed. Let's check where it is and browse packages. You can browse your packages that you have installed in your Sublime text and come to directory Sublime text 3 and install packages. Here is the list of installed packages in your Sublime text. So you can see we have installed Emmet Sublime package. So it's confirmed we have Emmet package, and now we can create a new file. So I press Control N and in Mac option, and you can press, and the new file will be created, and you have to save it before you use image package. So we will save it at test.php or HTML, anything you want. Now for the time being, I am saving it to my desktop. Test it already. Okay, let's change the name and test one. So this file is saved. Now you can see here, right? It's the default is now is the list of the in canvas you want to use. So if you want to go with HTML, you have to select HTML. So I'm right now PHP, and it's selected PHP. You can select it HTML as well. Okay, now let's create the basic structure of any web page. So it's very simple, and just type HTML colon 5 and press tab. Boom, the structure is created, and the default cursor position of the cursor you now see it is at title under title element, which is document. So we can name it test document. When you hit your tab key, and you will see the cursor jump to into a body element. I press tab and the cursor is now jumped to a body element. So now we have created a HTML5 structure, and I am control Z, HTML5, hit tab and hit once again tab, and you are under body structure. Okay, so this is the basic structure you want to create if you want to create in Emmet package. So now we can create any elements in through the Emmet package. The first one is the basic class or ID. So if you want to create a div, just give div. No need of to give start tag, div element, close angle bracket, start angle bracket, close div. So it's taking time and hectic in traditional text editor. We do actually like that. So in by using Emmet Element, just type div and hit tab. The element will be created. Simple. And control the, if you want to create with class, just hit dot and tab. The class will be created. If you want to give the class name, test name for, so a div will be created with class test. Same like IDs, ID test. Hit tab, the ID. div with id test will be created. So this is the basic div, any element you wish you want to create. So if you want to farm will be created. If you want a table, and if you want m ampersand. So any element you can create with div, with id, and with class, or by just typing their constructor initial. Okay. Now there are 4 to 5 things that are continuously used while in program creating the structure of web page. So through image package, we will see how we can multiply more than one attribute or one element with if we want to take a table with multiple table data or multiple table headings will be required. So one by one, when you have in a traditional coding, we have to type it. We will see multiple child and grouping, and we will use grouping id in class we have already used, and the nesting. So the first one is now, let's see, we want to create a container. Under that container, we want to create a row. So this is parent, container is parent, and row is child. For to use child, to create a child under any tag, you have to use this angle bracket. So it means that you are creating a child of this container. So right now the cursor is at the position of end of the line, and when you hit tab, boom, can see a child div is created under the parent div, which is a container. So this is the parent child relation. So in the same way, we can build the structure of your page. Okay. Under that row, I want to a table. I want table with class table. Okay. And this for this table, I want another table with class table border. So when you hit, you can see a container. Under that container is a row div. Under that row there are two tables. Now one table is table and other one table is table. So we have used a plus plus operator to create multiple elements in the same div. So div is row, and we have create multiple separate element, table 1 and table 2. So if okay, so this is table class table, and under that table we need, now this is called now grouping. Grouping is done used by using the parentheses. So two parentheses are being used now. So under table we need table head plus table body. So this is grouping, and table under table head we need mm, under table head we need table headings multiplication 3. So we are now multiplying a table heading with 3. So we required 3 headings under table heads, and In the same way, we need under table body tr, and in one in that tr table row we need table data multiplication of 3. So one row, 3 table data, and this is 3 table headings. When you go with that example, so once again container parent, under that there is a child relation, a row div, under that row div there is a table with class table, and under that table we have a table head with 3 table heading and plus table body with a single table row with 3 table data. When you press tab, boom, you can see. So we have a table, class table, table heading, 3 table heading, and in the table body we have a table row with 3 table data. So this is the magic of Emmet package. Okay, now let's broad broad our scope. We have, you can give your incremental your items number if you want. So very simple. Under table head we can use these brackets. These brackets I can say heading, and dollar sign means the 3 headings will be number 1, 2, 3. So you can easily understand when I am putting the data into these elements or attributes. So table data, this is data, and I'm using dollar sign. So 3 table data will be created, and 3 heading with numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. So this is called the item numbering. You can see, wow, a table heading 1, 2, 3, and table data, data 1, data 2, data 3 is b has been created. So control Z, and you can see container row table. Under table class we have a table head. Now table head, under table head we have use group, break parenthesis 1 plus second group is, first group is table head and the second group is table body. In that group we have a table head, and we use the numbering by using dollar sign and multiplication of multiple sign and plus 3 into 3, plus table body, table row, table data, and we use data in our attributes data dollar sign, so it will create. So this is the Emmet package. So if I use a bracket and a paragraph bracket title, let's see what happened. You can see we have a custom attributes. If we want to use custom attributes with any element, we can use open and close brackets and give the attributes name, title, data, anything else that you want to create. You want to give a custom attribute. So custom attribute is paragraph is the element and data is the attribute of that, is it is a custom attribute. So very simple. Okay, a ul, under ul I want li, and each li suppose I want a 5 li, and each li I need a anchor tag with custom data. Let's suppose data, and with dollar sign I'm numbering the data. So we need a ul unordered list, with list item with anchor tag and multiply by 5. So you see we have a UL. No, it's created only one list and 5 anchor tags. Ah, if I use no one list li plus anchor tag into 5. Um, Let me group it. Anchor. So this is right. This is the right way. So we have to group because we want the 5 anchor tag as well as the 5 list items. So we have to use the group parentheses. So UL li parentheses for grouping anchor tag into 5 li list item with 5 anchor tag, and with each anchor tag if I use brackets and want a custom data with number items. If I go with this, like, let's see what happened. Boom, list item with data 1, data 2, data 3, data 4 is being created. So now the sky is the limit, and you can test and check the others. You can check it's the documentation of Emmet package. So syntax is child that we have just used right now. Sibling, so plus sign we can use a sibling, and the groupings that we have recently see a grouping. Multiplication, so UL angle bracket and li into 5. So this is multiplication. Item numbering, we have seen it, and we can number our items. If you go ul li class items into dollar sign, so it will list the class li class item 1 2 3. So and id in class we have just seen, we can set header, title, and custom attributes that we have open bracket and close bracket, we have used it the custom attributes. So text we have also see it, what it is, and we can give a data to our any element, any attribute. So so it's done, and take care.